In shadows deep, where candles gleam, the vampire court fulfills its dream. With crimson wine in goblets high, they toast the night beneath the sky. A feast of blood, an ancient lore, a night of pleasures, unlike any before. They waltz through darkness, forevermore, as echoes of their hunger roar. Hello again and happy Halloween. For today's tutorial, we'll be decorating the top and side floor space of my entertainment center using a vampire masquerade ball theme and using the colors of burgundy, ivory, black, gold, and some green. Let's get started. To start, I put a brown towel on top of my entertainment center to avoid any scratches. I then placed my lighted garland that I used for all of my displays this year. As a centerpiece, I added this shrouded ghost figure that I got at Marshall's. I then placed these burgundy glass pumpkins on the side to keep with my color scheme. I got these at the at-home store. I then added these hanging bat figures that I got on sale at Michael's last year. Their vampire merch last year was really good, and I've been planning this design for years. Next, I got my other set of vampire lanterns that I got at Michael's last year. I add an electric candle, and I also added some gray tulle inside. The gray tulle will catch the candlelight and allow you to see the entire design of the lantern when lit up. To make it more creepy, I added this Target dollar spot trees that I got years ago into the back of the display. Later, I added some red lights to them, and in the front, I added white lights. I did this on all of my displays this year. Let's look at this before we add the floral elements. To keep with my masquerade theme, I added a mask in the garland in the front. I then created 2 burgundy bows and added them to the sides. In between, I added some flowers and some roses to keep with my theme. What do you think? Let's look at this closer and then move on to my floor display. I first took my Martha Stewart rose-colored lighted skeletons and placed them on a stool. To keep them upright, I wired the arm of the skeleton to the bush in the back. After that, I placed my lighted coffin figures that I bought at Joann's at an angle. I added a velvet burgundy pumpkin that I got at the Dollar Tree on the floor. I then added a small wreath and put some styrofoam in the center to hold up the skull clock candle holder that I got last year at Bath & Body Works. What do you think? In the back, I added some Dollar Tree mini books for height, and then placed my Target dollar spot velvet tree on the back. At the bottom, I added another Gothic candle holder and a glass skull that I bought at the at-home store. What do you think of this layout? I then added white lights in front and a red light set in the back. Later, I added some paper bats on the wall and a halo to my skeleton. Now, let's look at the final result in the dark with everything together. Comment below on your favorite item. Comment below on what your theme is this year, and make sure you watch my other Vampire Masquerade ball tutorials in my Halloween decorating playlist. Thanks for watching, and have a happy Halloween.